the main advice I give is love it completely. It's not the romantic thing you imagine all the time. There's so much work. There's so much that goes into the marketing side of it. There's so much that goes into the production side of it. There's so much time I just spend gessoing, putting the primer on the canvases. There's so much time I spend doing photography and naming the paintings and driving the paintings around. You have to love all of it. You have to appreciate it and know that it's important and know that it's hard and that there's going to be peaks and valleys. Be good with your money. That's important because it comes and it goes. There's definitely seasons. But yeah, my advice is love it. Love it so completely that it is your job and it is the thing that you do on vacation and on your time off. I literally will reward myself with a day well spent painting with making more paintings.